And one more thing, the board is visible. Just okay. What is the variable? Everyone think about it. माधवी मैम का, वो माधवी मैम का स्टैंड, स्टैंड, वो आपका स्टैंड तो सर ऊपर में थोड़ा वो तो फोन ही गिर जाएगा। कोई बात नहीं, दूसरा फोन ले लीजिए। जस्ट कहाँ पर है माधवी मैम का है? स्टाफ रूम में, स्पोर्ट्स रूम। Sorry for. So, Saurabh, tell me what is variable? Yes. This is a revision class. और ये मुझे बताना थोड़ी है। It is a revision class, ना? Yes. Anyone? Raise hand. Who know about? Only two. अरे ये क्या हुआ? मैंने निकाल क्यों दिया? Yes. So, no. Just wait. There is three. One is Astha, Chirag, and Sneha. And what about the others? क्या सिर्फ इन्हीं तीन को आता है? यही पढ़. Today we will start the revision of. So listen first. Listen, try to listen ना. मैं जो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ तो सुनाओ तो सही. Today we start the revision of algebraic expression, and my question is, what is variable? Tell me the name. Tell me first. Tell me your name. Okay, tell me, Varsha, what is algebra? What is variable? ये बुक से रीडिंग तो सबको आता है करना, तो तुम्हें ही थोड़ी सिर्फ आता है. You are the only girl in the class who is able to read the book. Just I want, this is a revision class, so please tell me your answer. What do you know about the variable? Don't read the book. I don't want to read the book. If you want, if you just know the variable. Okay. Chirag.
variable is a type of symbol which has many numerical figures.
So, what is the meaning of variable? Yes, Neha. What is the meaning of variable? Astha, what is variable? Very good. Very nice. Yes, yes. Sit down, please. Variable, yes, exactly. The variable unknown. Unknown quantity. Or may vary. The value, basically, the value may vary in maybe in each and every question. So, variable is an unknown quantity, or the value may vary in each and every, or means variable means that vary. Vary means alag alag, different. So, variable basically means the unknown quantity or unknown value, or each and every question it may be same, may be vary, but the value is not fixed. Like, and basically we use variable. And for variable we can use A to Z alphabets in small letters. Is that clear? And now see, everyone know that what is the face value. So what is the face value? So yes, what is the face value of A? In numerical value, 1. How do you say that 1? Acha. So it may be ki if it is B, then 2, then C, then 3. Yes. So यहाँ पर तो A लिखा तो तुमने बता दिया 1. So it means that A is equal to 2A. So what is the variation? Yes. In the both cases, the face value of A is A, but in the case of numerical value, it is different. So that is why these are unknown quantity or a variable. And we can use the variable always in a small letter. Clear? And the second thing is constant. Second thing is constant. So ये क्या कोई नहीं क्या नाम है? What's your name? Yes? Ria. Yes. Ria, tell me what is constant. और नहीं मालूम है तो बोल दो कि मुझे नहीं आता. I think it's better. You? You? What's your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? हाँ? सौम्या. Okay. तो you are attend. तो तुम तो ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करते थे. Sit down, please. Then you? Please mute the audio. Please mute the audio. There is a noise. Yes, you. Fixed value. Numerical value से क्या मतलब है? Fixed value. What is the face value of 5? So it is fixed or not? Then, so the constant are known quantity. What is constant? Constant are the known quantity. किसी को मेरी राइटिंग ना समझ में आए तो प्लीज मुझे बता देना. आता है? Good. So the constant is basically the known and all the numbers. Either it is a whole number, integer, natural number, comes under constant, fraction, decimal, lot of things. So I want to ask one question with you. Just stand up and tell me what is whole number? Nahi? Sit down. You?
The number that is starting from 0
The counting, basically the counting starts from 0, means the 0 is the whole number, na? Yes, and what is the difference between whole number and natural number?
whole number is starting from 0, but natural number is starting from
1. Okay, sit down. Sit down. बैठ जाओ, खड़े मत रहो. So the constant basically the number and और नंबर के साथ क्या एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है? The face value of each and every number is the same. So that is why it is a constant, means a fixed value or a known value. So it is clear? Okay. Now, there is a question, some statement like question, like 5 less than a little x is, yes? प्लीज बोलना नहीं है, पहले सुन लो अच्छे से, उसके बाद बोलो. 5 लेस देन अ लिटरल x और 5 लेस देन x, या लिटरल की जरूरत नहीं है, वो बस x को रिप्रेजेंट कराने के लिए कि वो एक अल्फाबेट है, इसीलिए उसको लिटरल लिखा है. सो 5 लेस देन x. So you last convert it into expression. 5 इसमें लिखा है क्वेश्चन 5 लेस देन अ लिटरल x, नहीं? यू व्हाट्स द नेम, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? अजीत. ओके, सिट डाउन, बैठ जाओ, खड़े मत रहो. तुमसे पूछा? जस्ट कीप क्वाइट. स्टैंड अप एंड टेल मी 5 लेस देन अ लिटरल x. बैठ जाओ. ओके, आस्था, टेल मी 5 लेस देन अ लिटरल x. और if we write 5 minus x, then it is wrong. Why? Good. Yes, good, 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 very good. So here see 5 less than 5 less than x. This is the question basically, 5 less than x. So x minus 5 is the right answer. If we write 5 minus x, then this is wrong. Why? Because in both cases x is greater than 5. If x is not greater than 5, we get an integer. Okay, and now we are doing algebraic expression, तो अभी integers के बारे में सोचना नहीं है. So see here 5 is less than x means x minus 5. Okay, and in this case x is, because both the number is positive, so x is greater than 5. Clear? And now 5 added to x लिखा होता तो क्या करते? 5 added to x. Yes, so x plus 5, नहीं रुको, एक मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट, which one is the right? 5 plus x, क्यों? 5 plus x सबका सुन के नहीं, अपना सोच के बोलना है। क्यों? हाँ, सुन लिया। देखो यहाँ पर ना क्लास में भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सो तुम्हारा जो है वो मेरे कान में आ गया, मैंने सुन लिया। वर्षा, वर्षा ना कि क्या नाम, वर्षा नाम है ना? सुन लिया मैंने। योर आंसर इज राइट, बट वेट करो, अब जरा इन क्लास में भी तो देखें। सो चिराग, यू, स्नेहा, I think the both one is the right. Sit down, please. See, हमने होल नंबर पढ़ा है, उसके अंदर हमने क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ा है। We read क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, पढ़ा है क्या? पढ़ा है ना? So, what is the thing? 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 or not? So both is right, because 5 is added to x plus 5 or 5 plus x. In both cases the answer will be the same. So for addition or multiplication we can opt, but in division and subtraction, because of these properties, that is we already read in whole numbers, तो उसमें हम माइनस के लिए, मतलब फॉर द सब्ट्रैक्शन और फॉर डिवीजन वी डोंट राइट लाइक दिस कि बोथ द राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग हियर। क्लियर? And now one more thing, cube, now see, yes, squared, x squared means x into x. Good. Yes, बोलो बोलो बोलो, तुमसे ही बोल रहा हूँ, बोलो। X into x, yes. X squared means, x into x means a number is multiplied by itself, then it is squared. If a number is multiplied 3 times, then it is a cube of itself. Okay, when it is multiplied by 4 times, then it will be power 4, a number itself by power 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now tell me, here is a question, x plus x is, oh, wow, x plus xy. X square. X plus x तो पूछ रहा हूँ, what is equal to? X plus x is equal to, please sit down everyone. Yes, yes, tell me, tell. Yes. Yes, yes. Asta, your answer is right. Yes. Now see everyone, x plus x is equal to, just count it, 1, 2, and x time x is x square. X into x is x with the power 3. Don't say anything. X into x plus x plus x plus x plus 13 times, then it will be 13x. Okay, you have to count only 1. 1 plus 1. And always 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. And here, now you say कि किसने बोला था 1 is the face value of A. सबने बोला था ना 1 is the face value of A. If it is 1, if the face value is 1, so if we multiply, if we plus x, it is okay. Now it is 2x. When we multiply x into x, then why it is x square? Why not 1x? मतलब कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, नंबर नहीं है ना इसमें, फिक्स हुआ नहीं. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, I just want to explain you something difference between the variable and a constant. If x plus x is 2x, so x into x is what? X square. Yes. Saurav, I don't want you say something. This is not your tuition class. It's a school. And just behave like a good boy. मैंने तुमसे पूछा है, उसका ही आंसर करो. Don't explain. Try to explain me anything. Is that clear to you? It is not your tuition. I am not your tuition teacher. कि तुम वहां कुछ भी बोल देते हो और यहां भी सब कुछ बोल सकते हो. Just behave like a good boy. जितना पूछा जाए उतना ही. This is a classroom. And kindly put this difference in your mind. क्या 11 महीने में ये सब भूल गए क्या? I don't like this thing in my classroom. जितना बोल रहा हूं बस उतना ही. Now try to understand about this कि x plus x is 2x, but x into x is x square. So this is actually a variable. Value में vary हर जगह पे. Suppose sometime the x is 2. If the x is 2, then your answer will be 4 and x plus x is 4. Okay. But if the value is 3, then this is 9, this is 6. तो हर क्वेश्चन में अकॉर्डिंग टू द वैल्यू उसका आंसर डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड अ वेरिएबल. बट constant are the constant in which they never change their face value. Okay, if a number is 5, it means it is 5. Or 5 square always be 25, and 5 plus 5x plus 5x is 10x. This is basic difference between the variable and a constant. Constant में हम कुछ नहीं बदल सकते. The values are fixed, and the variable is basically we can arrange according to the, or we can manage according to the questions. If x is equal to 2 is given in one question, and in second question x is equal to 5, in next question x is equal to 7, so it means that the x is a variable. That is why its values vary in different questions. Clear? Okay, now class is over. So I want everyone do the exercise 8A, 8B, but not in classwork copy, not in homework copy. You can do these two exercises in rough copy and collect your maximum possible doubt. Okay, this is a revision class, so tomorrow I will discuss your doubts related to these two exercises or the next two. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Okay, bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.